Hi, Crystal here from Space to Love, and today I'm going to be talking about folding. I know I did some videos about folding sheets and towels, but today we're going to talk about laundry, which nobody really likes to do laundry. And a lot of people don't like to fold their laundry, but there's a certain way that it could make it a lot easier. I know there's really fancy ways to fold laundry and undies and things like that, and you'll see them on TikTok. Here we're just going to do really practical things for everyday people that really don't have a lot of time. We want things to look neat and clean and make it fun and quick and easy. Okay, so we're going to talk about jeans, how to fold jeans or pants. So you get your laundry, shake out your jeans or your pants, so you have the front, and then you're going to fold that on the inside, right? And we're going to keep the left side out to the left, just like that. Give yourself some room to fold. Lay these down and just go 1, 2. Doesn't get any easier than that. But this is great if your closet doesn't have a lot of depth, right? So this is a sort of like a short fold. But we can do a little bit of a longer fold. So let's say we do the same thing. We have the front goes inside, the butt out to the left. We fold this down, and then we go 1, 2. So this is kind of like a tri-fold here. So you can see the difference in the size of the pants. So this is going to be really great if you have a deeper closet, but you don't have that much height. And this will be nice if your closet's not that deep, but you can still fit your pants in there without them falling over like that, which is really annoying. Also, if you have a deep closet, but you have a lot of jeans, definitely go with this fold anyway, because then you can stack higher because it doesn't take up that much height. So when you're putting your pants back in the closet, I always say it's really nice to do dark to light, and it looks really pretty in the closet. And when they're all folded the same way, it has a nice consistency to it. Okay, so I'm maybe just making an assumption that you're going to fold your jeans and put them in your closet. But what if you want to hang them? Because I do that for a lot of clients as well. So we would do the same thing. You could actually just take this fold and then just put the jeans on the hanger the same way. See, the butt is out to the left. Now what happens is that all your jeans are hung the same way, and that basically you just see the label. So when you're looking for jeans, it'll be really easy to know which jeans are which, because it'll just be like a sea of color of denim and you won't know what's what. So it's really easy to just pull them out, see the back. Usually you can tell what your jeans are by the pocket. Okay, so we're gonna do shorts really quick. So if we have regular shorts, these are cute, but we still have the front folded on the inside, butt out to the left. And then with like these shorts, like you wanna take the crotch part, just fold that in, and then fold this over, and then actually makes it look nice and neat. Okay, and then with jeans, we would do them the same way. The front is on the inside, out to the left, and then you just fold it over like that. But if you're putting them in a drawer, or maybe you have more depth but not height, you can still do the fold, and then just fold them like this, and have them out like that, so they don't take up too much height. Okay, so we're gonna talk about folding t-shirts, and I don't know why I feel a little weird about this, but anyway, people are always like, how do you fold your t-shirts? There's one way to do it, it's gonna be amazing, and it's like, not really. I think what happens is that we really wanna talk about where we're putting the t-shirts, how we're gonna store them, because that's where we need to know how to then fold them. So if we're gonna fold them, and let's say you're gonna put them in a closet, on the shelf, but the shelf is like just a regular size closet, the depth is normal, we would do a regular fold like this, right? So you have your t-shirt, you lay it out on a flat surface, the front part is face down, we do one fold, one side, then we do the other side, and then we can just do the one, just like that. We put it in the closet like that. We're using the depth of the closet, we're not taking up too much height, and that makes it really easy, and then it'll look nice. Pretty standard, right? But let's say we want to take the t-shirt and we now want to put it in the drawer. So basically we would still do the same fold, face down, fold one side, fold the other side, but now we want to do 1, 2, right? So now this would be a great fold if we had a drawer that we were going to put it in. We still want to do maybe a file drawer, like, you know, have them filed up. Then that would be if the drawer was pretty deep, because this height here is a pretty big height. But you're going to fit a lot more t-shirts this way. But let's say you have a drawer that's like, well, it's really, you only have a couple of inches, so this isn't going to work. So basically we want to just take this fold, and then, so we do have the same thing, right? The fold, we do each side over. We're going to do 1, and then we're going to go 1, 2. So now we have the same t-shirt, but now we can actually fit it in a drawer that doesn't have a lot of height. And then we can still do the same file. So that, I think, those 3 different folds depends on what you want to do. Okay, so just kind of finishing up on when we want to fold because of the space that we have. So when I folded this one, this is actually pretty wide, right? So this is a pretty wide one. Here's another t-shirt, it's pretty much the same exact size, but we're actually, let's say we have a drawer that's a little narrow, but we still want to have 2 rows of t-shirts, try and get as many t-shirts as we can in there. We can make this a little bit more narrow. So now I'm actually folding, instead of folding this way and having, you know, we have just a line here, I'm actually going to fold over. So I'm going to go in the middle and then fold this one over like that. And then we're going to do the same exact, go this way and this way. And now you can see the difference. Like, this is really wide, this is really narrow. Now if I have a smaller drawer, I can probably fit more of these side by side. Okay, so we're talking about if we're folding t-shirts, are they going to be in a drawer, are they going to be on a shelf? But really, I think it's simple even just to hang t-shirts. Why not? So some nice things about hanging t-shirts, I would suggest making sure that when you hang them up that they're all facing the same way. And let's see. It works out really well if they're hanging the same way, so when you're looking for something in your closet, it's easier to find and it just looks nicer. So see, we have like the front here, and then you're opening the front, and then they're all, so it's really easy to find what you're looking for. And then also, I think it's nice, of course, to do like light to dark. So if you have, you can put them, color coordinate them, and then put it light to dark, which looks really nice. And then also, let's say your closet opens this way, and you're coming into the closet. It's great to have the front of your shirts this way. But let's say we're here and your closet opens this way, you want to make sure that you hang your t-shirts with the front facing the other way. All right, so we're going to just do tank tops really quick. Tank tops, I don't know, sometimes they can be tricky, but not really. I think this is the easiest fold. It's kind of the same way when you were folding a t-shirt, right? You go one over the other, but you're actually going, you're not leaving any space. It's actually just a tri-fold there. And then I like to take the little straps, put them inside, and then just go 1, 2. And then we have like a really small fold here, which actually works out really nice. So let's try that again. So this one is a little different material, but it still will fold exactly the same. Again, I like putting the straps inside because I think it looks a lot neater. So you can actually now take this fold, let's say, if you have like extra space in your closet and you have those shelves, it'll look great on there. If you wanted to put it in a drawer and do the file method, it works out perfect like that. So that could go either way. But let's say you want to hang your tank tops, you can do that as well. The one thing I do suggest is, we do like the huggy hangers, like the felt hangers, so they don't slip off. These wooden ones are great because they have the little niches there, and so they won't slide off. But also make sure that, I noticed that a lot of my clients put like 4 or 5 tanks. They have all the tank tops, they put them all on the same hanger. And then basically what happens is when you need one, you have to take them all off, and it's too much work. And when it's too much work, you're not going to wear them. And that's usually what they say, like, oh, they're there and I never wear them. But so all your clothes are special and they get their own hanger. This is going to be really fast. Bras and underwear. So if we have bras, basically I just like to we have the bra, and it would be nice if we actually clasp, or you don't have to. But if you have room in your drawer, like if you have a nice size drawer, it's really wide, it would be nice to actually keep your bras kind of just like this. And you can just fold them, and like I said, you can clasp them, or you don't even have, like if you don't have time to clasp them because, we're all about not having enough time, we can actually lay them out in the drawer like this. And what's kind of nice is that the bras end up keeping their shape. And it's kind of like when you go to Victoria's Secret and you pull out and they're just kind of look like this, which is really nice. I always like doing light to dark. I think that's always aesthetically pleasing. We can just have them in the drawer like this if we want, if we have the space. A lot of times we don't have the space to make, to open it like that, which I do prefer it this way, but most of my clients don't have a lot of room. So we can just fold it over, tuck all of the straps in, and then that would be really simple. Fold it over, tuck it in, fold it over, tuck it in. The only thing I would suggest is always going just going, the right one goes under the left. Or you can do the left under the right, but just be consistent because it looks really nice in the drawer when things are folded exactly the same way. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one quick fold for underwear. I've seen a lot of cool folds on TikTok and stuff like that, but most of the time, me and my clients, we don't have time to do some stuff like that. So basically, you have your underwear, you just fold it over to have the front part showing, and then I just go under, under. I know, that's it. Nothing fancy, but it's really fast because, you know, when you're doing laundry and all your underwear out and you don't have a lot of time and you want to just get it, you know, you just want to get stuff done. So if you have time to do some fancy folding, this isn't your video. But if you just want to be like, I got a couple of minutes, and then I like to stack them, go light to dark, and then just stack them just enough, right under the other, and then you lay it in the drawer like that. And so you can see the color that you want. And then what I would do is these are full panties, then I would do maybe a G-string or thongs, and then you'd have different rows in your drawer of the different underwear that you have. But actually, just so you know, it would all be the same fold. So even if this was a G-string, we would still fold it the same way. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If there's anything else you want to see folded, definitely comment below, and we'd love to hear from you. Again, thank you so much for watching.